You shared in your lecture today about the importance of names, and you took us through an exercise where we got to share about how our name came to be and how that is a part of our own story, which was a really neat way to get to know folks around the table and to hear a little bit more. Can you share here what the importance is around names and how that intersects with pastoral care?
Yes, that naming exercise is something I have used with students at YDS as a form of listening practice, but it comes from the work of Edward Wimberly and his book, Recalling Our Own Stories. And I think Wimberly recognized the importance of people's names to their identity.
Yeah.
It can be a sensitive subject. Sometimes people don't like their name, or they've been called things they didn't enjoy. But sometimes people's names are very important to them, and it brings us to a moment of connection.
Yeah. And it's something mutual that we all share. We all have a name. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's neat.